Today we have to study about resistivity, which is also known as specific resistance. Or specific resistance. We are required to derive the expression of resistivity or specific resistance. First of all, we are required to understand about resistance. Which is denoted by R, and specific resistance or resistivity is denoted by rho. Before moving towards resistivity or specific resistance, we are required to understand first of all about the resistance. What is meant by resistance? Resistance is the basic property of any substance due to which it opposes the flow of charge through the given material, that may be conductor, that may be any other substance. There are many substances having comparably less value of resistance. On the other hand, there are other substances like metalloids and non-metals having very high value of resistance. Resistance is always directly proportional to the length of the wire. Resistance is always directly proportional to the length of the wire. What does this mean? It means whenever you have got DC fan running on a battery, just suppose there is a wire of 1 meter which is connected to the terminals of the given battery. In this situation, the fan will run with some particular speed. But if this wire is increased from length 1 meter to length 2 meter, in this situation, the speed of the running fan will reduce. What does it mean? It means that the wire with which the fan was connected is actually providing resistance, due to which the electrical energy, whatever is coming through the wire up to the running fan in this situation, due to resistance, it is offering resistance to the flow of charge coming from battery, resulting into there is loss of electrical energy. That's why the speed is found reduced. In this situation, the wire gets little hit. On the other hand, if we take a thicker wire, just I am taking a wire of 1 meter length, but it has having the double of the area to the initial value of the area of cross section. The wire is double, means in this situation the speed whatever we were getting of the running fan will be increased. That is why we normally see the connection between inverter battery and the inverter is always very thick wire. So we can conclude resistance of a wire is inversely proportional to the area of cross section. Many students are very much confused about the area of cross section. This is the area of cross section. More the thicker the wire, more will be its area of cross section. So we have got two things. One is resistance is directly proportional to L, and resistance is inversely proportional to the area of cross section of the wire. So from 1 and 2 we can write R is directly proportional to L upon A. Further we can write R is equal to rho L upon A. What is meant by rho? This is the constant of proportionality. Also known as resistivity or specific resistance. So we can write rho is equal to R into A upon L. One thing should be remembered about resistivity or specific resistance. It does not depend on the length of the wire. It does not depend on the length of the wire or area of cross section of the wire. It means if we say that resistivity of 1 gram, important point to be noted, resistivity of 1 gram silver will be equal to resistivity of 1 kg or 100 kg, whatever be the value of silver we are taking. So resistivity of a substance does not depend on the length of the conductor, does not depend on the thickness or thinness of the conductor or any substance. It also does not depend on the shape, size or anything else. That's why resistivity of 1 gram of silver is equal to resistivity of 1 kg of silver or 100 kg of silver. The another question which always arises, what is the difference between resistance and resistivity? Resistance and resistivity. Resistance always depends on the length of the wire. It always depends on the length of the wire or conductor we can say. It depends on the area of cross section of the conductor. Its SI unit is ohm. Resistivity does not depend The first point we have got, it does not depend on the length of the conductor. It does not depend on the area of cross section of the conductor. Of the conductor. Its SI unit is ohm meter